Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. To those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. I will put the link to the Telegram in the comment section. So let's see what we'll be expecting on for our New Year section on AUDUSD, which is AUD USD. Let's start with our trend, our main trend, and our current trend. Full trend, which is our main trend, the downtrend move. You can see we are clearly moving downward. But if you take a look at your current trend, what market is doing of recent, we are trending to the upside. So this is an uptrend move. So this is our first high. Here comes the higher low. This is our second higher high that took out this previous high. And here is an higher low. So this is also another high about to be formed. So we should expect that push-up to continue. See, it eventually take out this previous high. So once that push-up continues, we should be able to take out this previous high. Now let's see it on the 1 hour time frame. A pullback is coming, as you can see here. We had this first push-up, then this followed another push-up, and now expect your pullback. Once your pullback is over and you see your buy setup, up here for the buy as another push-up, one more movement to the up is actually coming soon.